4 tests, but the 5th test, the one test.
Yay, I got a bed in here. Let's get outside and play. Oh, what's this? Hey, more trees. Yay. But where do they come from? More trees. What the? More trees. Another one. Where am I gonna find another one over here? I'm gonna look around and see if I can find any. Oh, here I am. I'm gonna have to start trying to get that wood. Okay. Now get some stuff out of that firewood. That chest. Oh, it's so heavy I can't open it. There we go. I'm gonna cook pork chops and have dinner. Oh boy, I am hungry. Wonder why. I can't use this oven. Can I? Okay, cool. Okay. Ooh, it is getting dark. I want to get to my new apartment. Okay. Shut the door. Never it's a good night. Another morning. I should close the door. Let's get back to making this house.
I wish they had my hair stuff on. What are you?
Why is it raining? I should go inside. Oh yeah, it's nighttime. I'm going to my friend's house. I'm going to my friend's house. Going to my friend's house. Yeah. What is this hole in here? Okay. Going to my friend's house. Going to my friend's house. Going to my friend's house. Oh, finally I'm here. Been a long time. Oh, hello, Jeffrey. Hello. I wanted to come over. Okay. It has been so long since we've met. I know, right? It's been so long.